Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech It Simple. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your YouHodler application. So, without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch and open the YouHodler application from your app drawer. The first interface will look like this. Tap on the Sign In button appearing at the bottom of the screen to end up on the Sign In page. To sign in, you will need to enter your email address and your account's login password. Start off by typing in your correct email in the first text box. Once you are done, enter your password that you created while signing up for YouHodler. Soon after you are done, tap on the Sign In button to log into your account. If you don't remember your password, tap on the Reset Password link at the bottom and follow through the password reset process. Once you have the correct credentials and tap on Sign In, you will now be able to log into your YouHodler account. But every time you log in, you will need to set up a new passcode. Go ahead and enter the passcode, and then you have successfully logged in. That is how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.